Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel TKP Electronics. I hope you all are doing fine. Well friends, today I got for repair Yamaha DBR12. This is the active speaker amplifier. Okay guys, so let's check what's the issue in this. So I'll just show you. I will give you the connection. We'll check the AC voltage first. I'll just show you the AC voltage. I'm giving the AC voltage in this. See, power is coming to 35 volt AC. So I'll connect this, we'll put it on. See guys, you can hear the relay click, but there is no power. It's not getting power on. It means it is going in protection mode. I think so. I don't know exactly. We need to check it out after dismantling the complete unit. So see, there is no power, no protection, signal limit. All lights are off. But let's check now. We'll open this one and we'll check it out. So put it off first. Take it out this one, power cord. So now we'll open this one. So guys, check it out now. So here is the power supply. So now what we will do, we'll check the input is coming properly or not. Here this is the AC voltage should come over here. So we'll check this first. So for that we need to connect this first. We'll put it on also. Okay, now put it on from mains. I'll put it on. See, relay click. Power is coming. See, power is coming to 34 volt, 35. So it means that power is coming in the SMPS, but there is no switching is going on. So let's check now the DC voltage and everything step by step. So now we'll check some voltage test on this IC. So this is my common. This is the negative point of main filter capacitor. So we'll put it on now. I'll switch it on, my friend. Okay, see, the power will come. I put it on. See, on now. It's on and off. That's it. So we'll check some voltages. See, voltage is coming. So now minus. So from the main filter capacitor voltage is generating. So now we'll check the IC. On pin number 12 is supply pin 12.2. So guys, it's coming proper. Supply is coming, but okay. See, 1.9 the main. This is the small capacitor. So but some voltage are missing somewhere. 1 2 3 4 5 8. See guys, some voltage are missing somewhere. I should get something here this point here. So it's not pin number 7. So anyway, we'll check some other voltages also. which is coming here. So we'll check some resistance test on this IC, guys. We'll put it off first. So friends, we'll check first some components around here IC. So as you know, it's not switching on or SMPS circuit. So I kept on diode range. So we'll check first the MOSFETs. Is there any shorting? MOSFETs are good. There's no any shorting between the terminals. We'll check now. Oh, another MOSFET. This is so no shorting. MOSFETs are good. There is a diode is here because this diode is showing, because this diode is connected to the 10 ohms resistor. So when you check the diode, it will show on 10 ohms resistor. It is, see, this resistor is there. So here is one diode. So this is also good. Here is one diode. This is also good. There is no shorting. So now there is one resistor over 100 ohms, I think this is. So we'll check this resistor. Register also looks good. There is some voltages. So see 98 ohms resistor also good over here, and there are some SMT transistors are here. Sorry, resistors are here. So this is 10K. Let's check. It's 10K. It's 10K. See, it's okay. After that, this is 5K, I think. This is 1K. This is say 1K. It's so good. So this is 33K. So it's good. This is 2.2K. So guys, so friends, all resistors over here is okay, and this is 1 meg. This is 1 meg. So almost 1 meg. See. So let's check the any shorting with the ICs. Some ohms it will show. So we'll check that one now. We'll connect one. Is there any shorting with the IC? I'll keep in the diode range. So see, it is showing some 10 ohms, I think. Pin number. So see, one pin is showing some shorting with the ground pin. So guys, see, this is also coming from the pin. So guys, this is now clear. The problem is with the IC only. So what we will do, we'll replace this IC with the new one. Okay guys, so we'll start dismantling this IC. Okay, and the number of this IC is L6599. L6599AD. So guys, we'll replace this IC with the new one. I got the new one IC with me, the same number. So we'll replace this. This is the resonant controller IC. So we'll replace this. We'll prepare to desolder this IC now. So guys, we'll start. We'll apply some paste. Okay guys, we have removed the IC. Guys, we have already removed the IC. This is the one. Okay. So we'll fix the new IC, but before that we'll clean this area first. So now we'll fix new IC. The IC number is 6599. This is the new IC, guys. $6599 AD. So take this. Soldered, see this one. This is the IC. Should be like this. So guys, now we'll test it. So we have already replaced this main IC, SMPS IC. So we'll connect now. We'll check whether power will get on or not. So we'll put the power on. So now everything is okay. We'll put it on. See guys, it's on. So we sorted out. So this is the problem. So now power is coming. So now what we will do, we'll just give input signal and we'll check. So guys, we'll give the audio input signal. So see, signal is coming. So guys, if you want to listen the sound, then we need to connect the speaker socket over here, then only we can come to know. So anyway, I will connect it. So this is a socket separately, so we will connect this one only. Okay guys, so we have already connected. Now we'll connect the speaker to check the sound. This is for the speaker. So guys, thank you very much for watching my video. Take care. See you very soon next video.